Hi, I'm Lewis from Olympus. Today, we're going to show you how to start the reprocessing cycle after the endoscopes have been loaded. Then we'll show you how to remove Olympus endoscopes from the OER-Elite reprocessor. Before using the equipment, be sure to read and understand the details of the instruction manual. As always, please ensure proper protective equipment is worn while maintaining and operating the OER-Elite. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Olympus Technical Assistance Center, otherwise known as TAC, in the event you need additional assistance.
To begin the reprocessing cycle on the OER-Elite, press the Start button. Once the cycle is started, and throughout the duration of the reprocessing cycle, you will notice the touchscreen with multiple items displayed. You'll see the remaining time left on the cycle, as well as the process progress bar, which displays the current point in the cycle. Normally, the OER-Elite will display the remaining time. However, the remaining time is grayed out and will not count down when the disinfection solution is heating. This is normal. When the reprocessing is completed, the OER-Elite will beep, signaling the end of the cycle. After the cycle completes, scan your user ID card on the RFID reader to register the removal of the endoscope. You can now view the reprocessing complete screen. On this screen, you can confirm the information of the previous reprocessing cycle. The records for the reprocessing can now be printed if a printer is present with the OER-Elite. If no printer is available, the reprocessing logs can be exported to a portable USB drive. Please refer to the OER-Elite Printing and Exporting the Reprocessing Log instructions in the IFU. Prior to the endoscope being removed from the OER-Elite reprocessor, it's important to check that the connecting tubes are not kinked or disconnected. If any connecting tubes are bent or not properly connected to the OER-Elite or the endoscope, please reprocess the endoscope again to ensure proper cleaning. First, let's remove the stylus pen and any accessories present during the last reprocessing cycle from the OER-Elite. This includes the accessories in the washing case, as well as the MAJ 855 auxiliary water tube. Disconnect and take out all connecting tubes and leak test air tubes from each endoscope. Wipe off any water on the tubes using sterile gauze and store them in a clean place. Next, remove the endoscopes from the reprocessing basin. Be careful when taking the endoscopes out of the OER-Elite. It is important that the endoscope does not touch any portions of the OER-Elite that have not been disinfected. Finally, wipe off any water using sterile gauze. Remove the second endoscope from the OER-Elite. Again, avoid touching any portion of the endoscope to the OER-Elite that is not disinfected. Finally, wipe off any water using sterile gauze.
Welcome back. This concludes starting the scope reprocessing cycle and removal of endoscopes from the OER-Elite. We hope you found the information helpful. As always, don't hesitate to contact our experienced TAC team in the event you need additional assistance. Thanks for watching.